Today, we're going to learn how to get in and out of a kayak. So first, hold the kayak with both hands. One hand on the opposing end of the cockpit and one hand at the front of the cockpit near yourself. Put the leg that is closest to the kayak inside the cockpit. Then, sit down in the cockpit and shift all your weight to your butt. Put your other leg inside the cockpit and stretch out both legs so that your feet is touching the foot stand inside the kayak. Now you're ready to start on your kayaking journey. To get out your kayak, first measure the water depth to see if you can actually stand. If your paddle can touch the ground without half of your paddle getting submerged, then you probably can stand. Now put the paddle in your right hand at the front of the cockpit and your left hand at the back of the cockpit and stick one foot out. Now shift your body weight to the leg and take your butt out. Now take your other leg out and hold on to the kayak in case it drifts away.